Yo, what's up? I'm parting out this truck right here. It's a 96. Bunch of good parts on it. The powertrain and suspension has been sold, so don't even ask. But other than that, everything else, except for the bed, is all for sale. Windows are great. Panels are good. Power windows, both work. Interior, tan. The dash has a little crack right here. Everything is going cheap. Need it gone. A little dirty. Center console. Show you the other side. The bed, I sold the bed, but tailgate's for sale. Bumper's a little bent. The cab has a little bit of rust in here, just in this spot. Other than that, the rest of it's rust free. Door panel's good. Might need a little bit of touch up, little cleaning. Back seat's good. Windows cracked. This is no good. Somebody drilled it up in there. But yeah, everything's going cheap. Just let me know. Front bumper straight. Grill's good. Just a little light broken right there. Just let me know. Oh yeah, I'm located in Dallas, Texas, or 20 minutes north of Dallas. So if y'all are close by, y'all come check out the truck, whatever. Just let me know, man.